Welcome to Mora FC. It is what it is. Look at this beautiful placket. Very simple to do it. Easy, simple, well explained. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. Click on notification bell so you're never gonna miss any of my tutorial. This is very easy to do it. We are very simple, but my idea we are very simple. This placket we are very simple. My church me other placket bi wo ha eso kwakwohwe no say sunsun ni beka no so beboa. I have other placket tutorial that is I'm going to leave the link below that you can check it out. This is the wrong side of it. As you can see, it is very beautiful. Its wall is done. Hey, it's Mora FC. It is what it is. But don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. Click on notification bell. Wow, yeah, let's get started. This is the wrong side of the fabric. Wrong side. We measure 3 inches. That's 3 inches by 15 inches. And the rest is 7 inches. So in all, it's gonna be 10 inches. Sorry, not 9 inches. So I folded the 3 inches. I folded 3 inches. Then in about 10 inches by 15 inches. On 10 inches by 15 and on wabble 3 inches. Tebeka 7. So the remaining 7, then you fold it into 2 like this. This is the remaining 7. You divide the 7 into 2. That will be 3.5 and 3.5. So I'm gonna mark 1 inches. Me measure 1 inch. 1 inch. So I'm gonna sew on top of the 1 inch. May iron so that to give me a straight line. Just iron so that give me a straight line to just sew on top. Just to show you for tutorial sake. I'm gonna sew on top like that. So let me go and sew on top and come back. So as you can see, I've sewn on top 1 inches. My copam sort of 1 inch down my key and line on my copam pepe. So you just have to give it a press of iron. More press, come on. Into 1 inch now, and we're going to divide it into 2. Just look what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to divide it that 1 inches into 2. Just like this. You just have to make sure you divide it properly, nicely. I'm just opening it. Very simple. Obium. Once a pamian obium. No, I'm a half a car. Let half inch be at the other side and half inch be at the other side. It's supposed to be in the middle. And bring fifi pepper, then you give you a press iron. So this is how it is. That's the first steps of it. So other one I'm gonna fold the other one back like this. Give it like 0.5 or so. Just let it come out a little bit. Then you just give it a press of iron, as you can see. So on the main, with my same thing. In fact, this is my first time doing this kind of style. I never see someone done it before. I never see somebody doing it before me. Who should be first time? So the measurement, it work accurately. Measurement is not fire accurate. The measurement work accurate. Everything work accurate for me. So I just do the same thing to the other side and give it a press of iron. One iron nice. Come on. Then we're gonna sew on top. Like that. Sew on top. And we go to other side and we sew on top like that. So let me go and sew and come back. Yeah, as you can see, I've just went and sew on top. Let me show it to you. This is how it's going to be. And the other side is how it's going to be. And then channel. So the design has been formed. You just have to give it a press of iron. No iron. Come on. So it's gonna be like this. Easy. It's Mora FC. It is what it is. So I just need my facing you know, I just need my face. I just have to fold the other one like this. This video I did a long time ago. I think maybe that was 2020. Yeah, 2020. That's when I did this video, so it's kind of long video. So I guess this is a time of posting it. I have a couple of videos I have not posted yet. So here we go. I just put my facing on it, and I'll give it a press of iron. Just give it a heat. Take your time. Video with me last year 2020. Video na I feel I made a post too. Now I'm posting this video, so you gotta enjoy it. Hey, but don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, comment, click on notification bell so you ain't gonna miss any of my tutorial. It is what it is. Mora FC. Do this, we do it for you. You do this for you, and you. You know, it is what it is. So I'm just trimming off the excess of the fusing off the facing. So it's gonna be something like this. So I'm just going to fold 1/2 inch. If you have been following my tutorial, I have a details explaining how to make this placket. I have a detail, so I think from this moment going, you get to know, to understand what next steps to be. Because if you have been following my tutorial, if you want to know how to explain details, I have another tutorial. I have several tutorials on how to make this placket, so I'll leave the link below. Check it out and just learn more details. But this is just a style. The style has been made. The next of it is how to sew it. This is what all is needed. So it's time for us to go and fuse it on the fabric. I do say a palm or fabric and also such as here. It's Mora FC. It is what it is. Majority what I say, or the comment catch them so want to say. So this is 15 inches. You can make it 16 inches. You can make it 10 inches. You bet my 10, but my 15 inches, and there wow, awesome. So I'm taking up working on the right side of the 10 over. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, comment. It is what it is. Very simple. Like I said, I have other tutorial on how to make this placket as well explained. I'm going to leave the link below. Go check it out. From this moment, I think I've explained a lot of details about this from this moment going. So you should check it out. And just if you want to look at it, you can still see what I'm doing. Very simple. And you just have to follow the steps. Later on, you do it. It's Mora FC. It is what it is. So I'm still working on the right side. As you can see, I just fold it up like that, and I just put it on like that, and I just do it like that, and I just do it like that, and like that, and like that, and I'm just showing a tip. I'm just showing at the other side. You can decide to do this optional. You can decide to do this, or you can decide to leave it like that. So I just sew on top a little bit. That one is useful. Not all my placket that I normally sew that part of. No, not all my placket. If you check other placket, you can see I didn't do that part of. So I can see the fabric is on the wrong side, so we just put a placket on the wrong side. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. It is what it is, you know. Hey, subscribe it. Make it. Me see more other video I shall see. Me the link na to. Would it be a link? No, click link and so no sooner. I bet show more details. Touch as here. Baby here and say my star, but the arcane idea. Wow, share about to my such as here. Yeah. It's Mora FC. I'm just blending in with English and tree. If you get to understand what I'm speaking, it's just tree. It's the same thing that I'm just doing. I speak it in tree in Ghanaian language, and I speak it in English for other people to benefit. I'm doing all this one for everybody. Just want everybody to get to enjoy some. It's Mora FC. It is what it is. So you can measure like 10, 9, 15, not 15. Then you turn it back to the right side of the fabric. As you can see it, this how it's going to be. You fold it like that and like that on top. Then you just sew on top. Simple. You're queen. Then you just sew on top on this one as well. Hey, finish. Easy to make this beautiful design placket. I'm just checking the space, the way I mark it. I have to check that part to know where I'm gonna reach. So check no BBLBC. So we done. Yeah, we. It's Mora FC. It is what it is. We done. You just have to cut it. Here is it. As you can see, it's beautiful done. We finished. Thank you for watching. Me out.